Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about infection of foot. Infection of foot includes commonly three diseases: nail bite, peronaikia, and calcaneus overgrowth or infection in heel due to cracked skin. So in each of all of the infection of food, remember the lymphatic drainage. One must examine lymph node in the groin and adding the relevant cases lymphatic lymphatic in the popliteal phase or fossa. Examination of urine for sugar, albumin, pus cell. Arterial disease may be present as the cause of an infection of foot. Before giving any treatment injury of foot, it is necessary to wash thoroughly soap and water, preferably detergent, applied sterile gauze, or wash with the help of hydrogen peroxide 2 to 5%. Bed rest and elevation of the foot is necessary in case of arrival infection till the inflammation subsides. Peronaikia. Peronaikia of great toe or angutha is a common infection if often occurs as a complications on an ingrowing toenail and obsession while cutting nail. Contaminated seizure is also a common cause. Treatment consists use of antibiotics for about the infection, preferably tetracycline group, and child of big toe is table-dealt radically when the ingrowing toenail is present in growing toenail. Means embedded nail in toe or big toe, the usually cause of the disease is encasing sweat feet in tight shoes and is encouraged by cutting the nail short and conveniently. In this condition, the side of the nail, a lateral spike, this causes painful infection of the overhanging nail fold. Infection of the healed space. The infection is intradermal in about one-third of the cases, while two-thirds of the cases are due to infection of the fat pad of the heel, which is situated in the subcutaneous part of the posterior third of the sole. The usual portal of entry is a crack in the skin or from a wound due to similar object. Symptoms. The patient complains of and throbbing pain. The pains are so severe that it interferes sleep of patient and it is leading symptom. Inability of foot, inability of heel to touch to ground. Swelling of the soft tissue that cover one or both the side of calcaneus. Tenderness over the heel space, and when there is tenderness over heel space, it is leave no doubt about. Generally, by time patient present to the doctor, there is formation of an abscess. It is to be incised through medial or lateral side of heel, so that the scar does not come to lie the fibrous septa bearing area of foot. The fibrous septa in the abscess of flat and need flat pad and need division of lips of the cutaneous incision should be termed elliptically to prevent premature closing of the skin. Treatment: cut the extra growth of nail with sharp instrument. Use local anesthesia if required. Prevent from infected water or other infected shoes or socks. In homeopathy, medicines are belladonna, netramur, silicea, pyrogen, staphylococcine, streptococcine, merxol, etc. After all, if we maintain warm compression of our both foot weekly, then maximum we prevent from infectious diseases of the foot. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.